What is personal data? Personal data is data relating to a living individual who can be identified. Examples include name and contact details, job title, educational background, location, financial information, marital status, and indication of intention. Sensitive personal data includes racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, religious beliefs, medical data, genetic data, sex life, criminal offense data, and physical or mental health data. Data protection is not a one-off occurrence. Instead, it is an actively involved process involving several steps, which, if done right from the beginning, guarantees compliance with the legislative and policy requirements. To ensure conformity with the Data Protection Act and the Ministry of Education's privacy policy, personal data must be processed in accordance with the following principles. Fair and lawful processing. Personal data must be processed fairly and lawfully, and compliance with this principle includes, among other things, identifying the legal basis or bases of processing, such as consent, contract, public functions, etc. Purpose limitation. Personal data may only be processed for the purpose or purposes for which it was collected. Data adequacy and data minimization. Personal data must be adequate, relevant, and not excessive in relation to the purpose or purposes for which they are collected or processed. Data accuracy. Personal data must always be accurate and kept up to date when necessary. Storage limitation. Personal data may not be kept for longer than is necessary to achieve the purpose or purposes for which it was collected. Respect for individual rights. Personal data must be processed in accordance with the individual's rights, including avenues to access their personal data and information about the processing. Security. Personal data must be kept secure at all times in order to mitigate against personal data breaches. International transfers. Personal data may not be transferred outside the Cayman Islands unless it will be adequately protected in the receiving country or territory.